Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Space. In today's video, I am going to show some shortcuts in Canva which will speed up your designing process. To bring up text in Canva, press the letter T on your keyboard with the Canva editor open. Now you can modify the text however you want. To change your text to bold letters, select the text and hold Ctrl key plus letter B. To make your text italics, hold down the Ctrl key and the letter I together after selecting the text that you want to change. Ctrl plus Z will undo whatever you did. If you are a Mac user, instead of Ctrl key, use your Command key. You can create a line on your editor by simply pressing down the L key. Now you can change the line weight, line style, etc. by choosing these options here. You can also add a start and end styles to your line too. Pressing the R key on your keyboard will create a rectangle on your editor. You can of course resize the rectangle and change the color, transparency and other aspects of it to your liking. Similarly, a circle appears on your screen by pressing the letter C on your keyboard with your Canva editor open. To duplicate an element, click on the element you want to duplicate, hold down Alt and drag. If you are a Mac user, hold down Option and drag after selecting the element to be duplicated. To select a hidden element, hold down the Ctrl key and click until the element you want is selected. Once the hidden element is selected, you can resize it, bring it forward, etc. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the element one pixel at a time. These are some of the quick and easy shortcuts in Canva. I hope you find this helpful. If you find this tutorial useful, please let me know in the comments, share it, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support.